Hello everyone, welcome today in this daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's already Friday. Weekend is coming. Friday, September the 4th, 2020. 4th, September the 4th. Yes, we have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And we will start first with the Sudoku Light. Let me position the camera. And this Sudoku will be number 1461. I believe I made a mistake yesterday with the regular Sudoku, and the regular Sudoku yesterday should be 1460. Yes, and this one is a Sudoku Light. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have a kind of the difficulty level you have. You can see, or you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 star Sudokus in the additional. And this one, the Sudoku Light, I see here in each 3x3 boxes, 4 printed digits. Here 4, here 4, here 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So 9 times a 4, 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, which number? So I pick. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the number 5? We see here 5 in this row, A5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. A5 in this row, A5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 3 in this column, the third column, 3 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2. Yeah. How about the number 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 3. And now 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 7 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 9 is missing. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Then 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Then 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 7 and 9, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 6, we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the number 6 and 2, 6 and 2, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in 8 minutes with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku heavy. See you then. Thank you and bye bye for now.